Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. This is another cost savings question. So, a car is driven with tires that are pumped up and tires that are not pumped up. And we want to calculate the difference between having tires that are inflated or deflated and how much we can save from them. So the saving or efficiency is by 2 miles per gallon. So we start off with 36 miles per gallon, and in both distances the total is it's 16,000 miles per year, and the cost of fuel per gallon is $4.50. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. In this case, we have a vehicle and we want to check the fuel savings. Okay, so technically you don't need to draw your free body diagram, but maybe drawing helps you remember the question. Step 2, list all the given values and find the unknown. So we're trying to find cost savings. So the total driven is 16,000 miles per year. And then for the miles per gallon on high is 36 miles per gallon. And miles per gallon on low is 38 miles per gallon. What does high and low mean? So coming back to the question, it says lower rolling resistance. So high rolling resistance is when it's deflated, and low rolling resistance is when it's inflated. Step 3, find the cost savings formula. So that's fuel savings multiplied by the unit cost of fuel, which is $4.50 per gallon. So they give us that part. We're going to have to figure out fuel savings, and we're just going to go through and figure all that out, and we're going to backtrack to this. So step 4, find fuel savings formula. So that is the annual fuel consumption high minus annual fuel consumption low. Step 5, find the formula for annual fuel consumption high. Miles driven per year divided miles per gallon. So that's 16,000 miles per year divided by 36 miles per gallon. So that's step 6, as you can see. So that becomes 444.4 gallons per year. Step 7, find the annual fuel consumption low formula. It's the same one, we're just changing the numbers. Step 8, so that'll be 16,000 miles per year divided by 38 miles per gallon. So that becomes 421.1 gallons per year. Step 9, we want to find the fuel savings. So high minus low. So high is found in step 6, right over here. And low is found over here in step 8. Okay, so that comes out to be 23.3 gallons per year. Step 10, find the cost savings. So we found our fuel savings in step 9, right over here. And we multiply that with $4.50 per gallon. So 23.3 gallons per year multiplied by $4.50 per gallon. So you'll save $104.85. So note that a typical tire lasts about 3 years. So low rolling resistant tires have a potential to save about $150 for the car owner over the life of the tires, which is comparable to the installation cost of tires, depending on your mechanic, of course, and inflation. Okay, but what does this mean in real life? So always pump your tires to the correct pressure when refueling your vehicle at the petrol station. So that's the key takeaway. If you want to save on fuel costs, make sure your tires are pumped up. Alright, disclaimers. The method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. And if you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, and then open up the program. Once you have it open, click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in this video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.